What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Alright guys, so I think it's time. Um I figured I would put the headlights on the OBS on the aftermarket grill. And as you can see here, I already started. Um I figured since the turn signals didn't really fit, um I decided to test out a little theory I had, and they work now on three holes, which I mean, they'll hold. Um, but I think I'm gonna have to do something similar to the headlights. So let me just show you what I'm gonna do, and hopefully it works out as I planned. So let me show you guys what I'm about to do. All right, guys. So as you can see here, those are your bolts for the headlights, and these are like guides. Bolt, guide. And on these, since it's aftermarket, there's a guide on top because they're kind of flipped right now, and that's the one for the bottom. So whenever you put these on, of course, let me zoom y'all out real quick. You want your headlights sitting like level, and then since it's aftermarket, the mold isn't always right, so it's gonna be kind of a little crooked like that. Yeah. Let me take out the plastic, guys. So as you can see there, it's kind of level, but since my hand's on the bottom, it's making it a little wonky. But uh, those little guides right there, they won't always line up like the factory ones, and so your headlight will kind of look like that. I know it's a little bit exaggerated, but that's kind of what they look like. So what I'm gonna do, well, what I did is cut those off, and I'm gonna bolt them up right now. Well, at least this one, and just two screws, and I'm gonna adjust it according to what it looks like on the grill. So that's basically what I did. I don't know if you guys want to do that with your headlights, but um, let's see how this goes. And well, hopefully it won't be an issue. Alright guys, look, this is test fit number 1. As you can see, it's really bad. It's not centered, and there's a big old gap up here. So I'm gonna take the grill off again, and I'm gonna move it up a little bit, put the grill back on, and see how it fits. Alrighty guys, so after some finagling, I got it to where I liked it, and you can see the difference. The grill is on, it's bolted, and you can see the difference right there. Now, it is going to be a little bit of work, I'll be honest. You're going to have to move this in or out, and then up and down, whatever. But I'm pretty happy with it. So now, just have to do the same thing to this side, and then do the corners, because those got to go on before the grill goes on. So let me install the new one on this side, and we'll get ready for the corners, because I think I only have the back clips to 3 So I'll probably have to go and buy another whole little box of these things. So let me go ahead and do this one, and we'll get ready to do the rest. Alrighty, guys, I'm back at it. So that was a huge failure. I had to stop doing this, and it rained for the next 2 days, and I had to work too, so that's that. But we have enough time today, and well, we're gonna try to finish up, because you can see here we got our headlights in. Got them um, kind of lined. We'll see, but let me show you the grill. All right, there it is. Got all the lights on, all the corner lights, and as you can see on this one, that's what I had to do. Just make the hole a little bit bigger, and well, the screws fit on all, well, on 3 out of 4. But you know, that's good enough. On this one, I only did these 2. Gotta do this one, and that one, I mean, the corner's just not there, so we're gonna leave it. And same here on the back. As you can see there, got these on, and well, I had to make the holes a little bit bigger, not too much. And as you can see, this one is missing that little thing right there. Maybe I'll get them later, but for now, you know. And same on that side. So we got pretty much everything ready to go. So that's what we're gonna do right now. All right, guys, so grill's on. Got the headlights aligned, kinda. And some more good news, the paletero came by. So shout out to the paletero. And well, got it cleaned up. Still need to get the nuts for the backside on the lowers or the uppers. But other than that, it's pretty close to being done. I still have to replace this, but I'm not gonna do it until I paint it. So I paint everything at one time. Bow tie's good. It's all bolted down, ready to go. I'm gonna turn on the headlights, see what it looks like. Hopefully I wired them up right. How does it look? So there we go. I just need to get some switchbacks for the bottom, because those look kind of off, but overall it looks so good. What do you think?
It's nice.
Just nice.
I love it.
Well, that's pretty much gonna be it for this one, guys. Hopefully I didn't make the video too long, and I know I didn't show y'all putting on the grill, because y'all saw me do it like 10 times already. But yeah, she looks real good. They gotta paint it, obviously, but you know, there will be time for that. And since we got our hour, we get more sunlight, so there's more room for activities. So guys, oh, it jiggles a lot, but it's bolted down. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this one, guys. Remember, like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and keep up with the builds, guys. So yeah, that's it for this one. We're done here. So catch you on the next one. Peace.